JOATD back with another one.
All right, guys, so I'm in the Scion XB 2009. This is a second gen. Having a problem where the lights in the shifter are not illuminating, so at nighttime I would have to look up here to see what gear I'm in, but if I just want to have to shift real quick, these lights are not illuminating. So basically today what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can actually replace the bulbs in here. All right, so the first thing you want to do is start off by removing this plastic here. You just take your fishbone, stick it in the side, just like that, pop up on it so you get all the way around, and then after that you can just pull up on it just like that. Okay, so we got that whole piece off right there. Now your emergency flasher, you're gonna have to disconnect it from here, but it's very easy. All you do is push on that tab right there and that should come out. Just squeeze the tab down, there you go. So that's off. So you just pull this part up too, same way. Just pull it just like that and it'll pop loose. Let's see. Just like that. Pull that whole thing up, slide it to the side. All right, now we got that kind of to the side, and look, you can see here's the light here. See that? That light just shines in here and lights this whole area, which is all of this. All right, so all you do, let's see. Okay, so take it from up under this little clip right here. See, I can push it back up under there. See, that's like a little clip. So push it from out of there, give you a little room, right? Then you have a clip here, pull it out from here, and that should be enough room. And what you're gonna do is turn this bad boy. It's gonna kind of be tight, but you turn it. I think you turn it counterclockwise. So let's see. Yep. See, I'm turning it. See if you can see that. Like that. There you go. Look at that. So you just turn it and pull this bulb out. This bulb should just come out. Let's see. Yep. There you go. Just pull the bulb out. You can see it's dark in there, so it's blown. Just pull that bulb out. And we got to get another one of these bulbs. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a number 74 bulb. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'll make sure I have like a link in the description area to tell you exactly what bulb size this is, but I'm pretty sure it's a 74. This right here is a 74 bulb, number 74. When you get your new bulb, you want to take this orange cap off. You see this orange cap? This is what makes the light look amber. Okay, so you're gonna roll this off. See, it'll come off, and you put it on the new bulb. Okay, and then all you do is take it, stick it back in here. See, just like that. Put it back in, and then if you can look in here, see how the holes are left to right? You're going to put this in the same way, like that. See how I have the little points on the side? You want it like that, and it'll go right back in the hole. Let's see, just like that, and then turn it clockwise. And there you go. And then you're going to put everything back, the wires back up under the clips. Put it everywhere, just like that. Make it around that part, just like that. Then take this part, snap it back down. Let's see. There you go. Hold up, make sure. Once it goes make sure you got it in there right. You can see these little clips right here on the side. They go on this little line right here. All of them have it. So let's see, just like that, and then just like that. There it is. All right, so now that part's down. Now this right here is going to go back to this switch. All right, so just like that, and you're gonna go up and over, back down, and then just press down on it, just like that. And that is it. That is how you change the gear shifter light bulb. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I am out. J.O.A.T.D back with another one.